Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to connect a keyboard to Samsung Smart TV model 2025. Okay, as you can see on the table now, we already get the keyboard, and now I'm gonna connect it. Take out the connection. Okay, on the back of the TV you will find out the USB connection here. Just connect it to that USB port, and now let's see what we can do with that keyboard. You can use the arrow key and we go to YouTube app to test some typing. This test video. Okay, enter it means select, so if you want to search, just select it to search before you can press enter. So the enter means select. And now we can press escape. Exit YouTube. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect a USB keyboard to the Samsung Smart TV. And now thank for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.